All right, hi guys, it's Dr. Ihrig here. We're going to be talking about distance formula, area, and perimeter. Now, they won't be probably nice and just ask you a perfect distance formula question. You're going to have to apply it. But first, let's talk about what the distance formula is. It's on the formula sheet. So the first thing I want you to do is go to the graphing calculator and recopy the distance formula, which is the square root. So I'm going to hit my little keyboard here. I've got my square root button underneath the square root. I'm just going to write x minus x squared plus y minus y squared. And I'm writing it like that because now I just need to do substitution. So like for example, for number 1, I'm just doing 5 minus negative 7. So here I'm typing in 5, and here I'm typing in negative 7. It's okay that there's 2 negatives in a row. The calculator knows what to do. Then I'm doing 9 minus negative 7. So I put the 9 here and I put the negative 7 here. 20. That's it. Now, they're not going to be that nice. They're going to give you things like perimeter. So I'm not going to do this longer problem here. Actually, I'll be nice. Let's do the longer problem. What we're going to do is let's open up a table just so that we can graph it. So we've got negative 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, negative 1, and negative 2, negative 1. Okay, so this is, let's just make sure, negative 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, negative 1, negative 2, negative 1. And then I'm going to long press this and connect the lines, but look at how it doesn't make a complete shape. So what you'll want to do is just retype the first point, and that way it makes a complete shape. Now, real quick, let me copy and paste this over. Now, the nice thing is some of these you don't have to do the distance formula for because it's just a straight line. You can just count the units. So here we know that this is 1, 2, 3, 4 units long, and we know this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units long. So if we're trying to find the perimeter, the only sides we need to use the distance formula for are S and T and U and R. So I'll go back up and type in my distance formula again. And I've got the square root, and I'm going to subtract the x's. So my S point is 3, 3, and my T point is 5, negative 1. So I'm just going to type in 3 minus 5. I'm just subtracting my x's, and then I'm typing in squared. Plus, copying the formula, y minus y squared. Well, my y's are going to be 3 minus negative 1. So here comes 3 minus negative 1. So I know this value, it says round to the nearest tenth, so we'll call that 4.5 because it's 4.47. Now, look at this amazing trick. Highlight, Control-C, copy, and paste that baby. Now we just have to put the RU points. R is negative 1 and 3, and U is negative 2 and negative 1. So I'm just going to do negative 1 minus negative 2. So here I'll delete this, negative 1 minus negative 2, and then I've got 3 minus negative 1. Again, there's my number, 4.1. So because it wants perimeter, I'm just adding all 4 sides up. 4 plus 4.5 plus 7 plus 4.1. 4 plus 4.5 plus 7 plus 4.1. And that is my perimeter, 19.6. Same thing here, 0 over 0 up 1, over 2 up 1, over 2 up 4. So when I have this triangle, I can count 1, 2 right here, 1, 2, 3 right here. So this is the only line I would have to find the distance formula for. Bye, guys.